This fire alarm really went off in the middle of the night.
I've been called out like at 11 when I'm supposed to be asleep already, and they tell me, hey, a fire alarm went off, I need you to go look. So there I am, right in the middle of my sleep, waking up, getting ready, and driving over there. It could either take me 10 minutes, it could take me an hour to find pretty much what device went off and caused the fire alarm to go off. Like I remember a building that I went to, it was at 11. It told me, hey, the pull station on the 3rd floor was activated. So I went up to the 3rd floor, opened up the pull station, put it back to normal, went back down to the fire alarm panel, hit reset, and it was normal. But on other buildings, so you'd have to go through each and every single fire and life safety device and make sure that pretty much is no longer activated. That could take anywhere from, I want to say, 30 minutes to an hour.